Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a banana shape in Geometry Dash. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to get it. Now if you really want to get it, as I go into the Reddit, so a lot of people have answered like how do I get a banana shape. So let's check them, and some of them might be working, some of them might be fake, so I'll let you know whichever is real and which one is fake. Now the first one is you get it in one key chest. Now that is basically the real answer. You'll get it in one key chest. Now like there are a lot of other peoples as well who have answered in the same way. Like this is a one key chest versus 100 key chest, one key chest. As you can read, like you will get it in one key chest. There's another guy. Let me just scroll down, and it's in a chest, but don't remember which one. It may be a five key chest. Now this is not the correct answer, as it's in the one key chest. As you can see, like a lot of people are already answering that it is in the one key chest. So make sure to go to one key chest, and inside the one key chest, as you can see, gonna gamble with those one key chests, and you'll get it, the banana ship. Here in a one key chest until literally got it. And you can see this is basically the banana ship, and you will get it inside the one key chest. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get it banana ship inside the Geometry Dash.